Welcome to Nusantara's quarterly update. I'm Mike Spreadborough, the Managing Director of Nusantara. In this quarterly update, there were four key elements. The first one was that we announced a new maiden ore reserve for the AWAC Mass Gold Project. We also updated in the quarterly the progress on the DFS. We have also started exploration on our COW, and the quarterly provides a good update on that work. And finally, the quarterly provides an update on the strategic partnership process that we have underway. As previously reported in April, we announced a maiden ore reserve of 1 million ounces. This is a significant number. A 1 million ounce project allows us to support over 10 years of production at AWAC Mass. For a new project like Nusantara and a young company, this allows us to support a very strong financially viable project as we go forwards in production. This reserve's not the end of it. The DFS is currently being completed on the back of the mineral resource that we updated in May, so we should see some more further upside in the reserve as we complete the DFS. I do ask you to refer to our website for more technical details on that ore reserve that we announced in April. So a key part of the quarterly announcement this week was an update on the DFS. The DFS is progressing very well. All of the technical work is now completed and the team is very focused on completing the capital and operating cost estimates so we can complete the financial analysis for the project. To date, the technical work is absolutely showing us that we have a technical, robust project that is low risk. The project, as we've previously reported, has a strong production rate of 2.5 million tonnes per year, allowing us to produce over 90,000 ounces of gold, has a very low strip ratio of 3.5, and this drives low mining costs. And we have high gold recoveries of over 91% on the basis of the conventional carbon-in-leach processing route that we've put in. So clearly the DFS has shown that this project technically is very achievable, and we look forward to the financial results. The other thing we must remember is our project is supported by very, very good infrastructure. We have access to grid power, which drives low cost. We have access to ports to allow us to bring in construction equipment. We have access to good roads and access to airports. So together, these will support the technical basis of the project and reaffirms our belief that this is a very great project, a project that will have a base case of over 10 years of operation. There are very few projects that are coming out of DFS in the world at the moment that have such a strong production profile going forwards. The DFS will be completed in August, and you'll see further announcements on the results as we complete that work. An exciting update in the quarterly report was the start of our work on exploration. Now that we've completed the resource drill out of AWAC Mass, our geological team is now turning its attention to the potential of finding more resources within our contract of work. This is a large area, over 14,000 hectares, but importantly, very little exploration has been done on the contract of work for over 20 years. So our first pass approach is to go back to the existing prospects identified by many owners over the 20 years and resample and have a look at the geology of those areas so we can prioritise the prospects. Our initial work, as reported in the quarterly, has focused on 3 targets which are close to the processing plant, so that allows them to have a low cost base to be brought into production if the resources are there. Out of those 3 areas, we are very excited with the results that came out of the work at Salukombu. We've identified an area of 500 metres by 1,000 metres that has high elevated surface gold mineralisation, and excitingly, we've uncovered localised copper mineralisation for the first time on the contract of work. So this is very much early stage exploration, but the early success and the results that we've seen really provide a great basis for the work that we're going forwards and gives us a lot of confidence to our aspirational target of developing a gold field of over 5 million ounces. The quarterly provides more technical details on those assay results, so please look at the website and the quarterly for those details. But clearly this work will continue over the rest of the year, and we look forward to bringing forward some of these prospects towards production in the near future. So So in summary, it has been a very busy quarter. Our whole focus remains on adding value to the AWAC Mass Gold Project. So during the quarter, we obviously announced the maiden ore reserve of 1 million ounces. The DFS technical work is now well and truly advanced, and that is leading to the completion of the capital and operating cost estimates, and importantly the release of the DFS in late August. We've been able to start COW exploration work with some early good results at Salukombu, and that's very exciting for us to going forwards. And also, whilst all that work has been happening, we've been continually talking to a whole range of strategic partners in Australia, Indonesia and China for investment within our project, and there remains excellent interest in the AWAC Mass project. So a very busy quarter. Next quarter will really be a key milestone for the business with the release of the DFS, and we'll also have some more exploration updates. As always, if there are any information you'd like to know, please drop us a line through our website, and look forward to talking to you at the next quarterly. Thank you very much.